Do you know how to say I'm a student in Vietnamese or how to say as for me, I'm tall? In English, we often use just one verb, to be, but in Vietnamese, it's different. We don't always use one single word. Instead, we have two grammar points, là and thì, and this often confuses learners. So today, I show you exactly how to use them step by step, and at the end of this video, you'll be able to use là and thì naturally, just like a local. Are you ready? Let's go! Before we dive into grammar points, let's take a quick minute to go through some keywords we need for this lesson. Listen the words carefully and repeat after me. Đây là sinh viên. Sinh viên. Sinh viên. Your turn. Còn đây là giáo viên. Giáo viên. Giáo viên. Cái này là nhà. 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 Cây này thì cao. 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 Còn cây này thì thấp. 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 Bánh mì này thì rẻ. 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 Còn bánh mì này thì mắc. 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 Great! Now you know the vocabulary. Let's see how to use them with là and thì. Now let's start with the first grammar point, là. Là. This is similar to be in English when we connect a noun with another noun. The pattern is noun plus là plus noun. Let's look at some examples. Tôi là giáo viên. Tôi là giáo viên. I'm a teacher. Tôi là giáo viên. Cô ấy là sinh viên. Cô ấy là sinh viên. She's a student. Cô ấy là sinh viên. Đây là nhà của tôi. Đây là nhà của tôi. This is my house. Đây là nhà của tôi. So, one important thing to remember is we don't use là with adjectives. For example, we don't say tôi là cao. No, it's not correct. We say tôi cao. Tôi cao. I'm tall. It's simple, right? Now let's practice together. Please listen carefully and repeat after me. Tôi là giáo viên. Your turn. Cô ấy là sinh viên. It's your turn. Đây là nhà của tôi. It's your turn. So remember, là is similar to be in English when we connect a noun with another noun. But please don't use it with adjectives. No. Let's move to the next grammar point so you know the reason why. And now move to the second grammar point, thì. Thì. Thì is different from là. It's not to be. You can think of it like as for in English. We use it when we want to highlight, compare, or show the contrast. For example, like we say, tôi thì cao. Tôi thì cao. As for me, I'm tall. Cô ấy thì thấp. Cô ấy thì thấp. As for her, she's short. Or we can say, cái này thì rẻ. Cái này thì rẻ. Cái đó thì mắc. Cái đó thì mắc. This one is cheap and that one is expensive. So, thì is not to be. It's a topic maker, often used for emphasis or contrast, like saying as for in English. Now you know both là and thì. Let's test yourself with a quick challenge. I say it in English and you say it in Vietnamese, and then I'll give you the answer. I'm a teacher. Yeah, tôi là giáo viên. You're a student. Yeah, bạn là sinh viên. As for me, I'm tall. Yeah, that is tôi thì cao. This one is cheap and that one is expensive. Your turn. Yeah, that is cái này thì rẻ, đúng không? Đúng rồi. Cái này thì rẻ, cái đó thì mắc. Right. Yeah, well done. If you got most of these right, it means you really know how to use là and thì. Yeah, great work today. You've done an amazing job. So let's do a quick review before we finish this lesson. Là, to link a noun with another noun to show identity. Thì, a topic marker for emphasis or contrast. So remember, in English we only use one word to be, but in Vietnamese we have two different words depending on the context. And now is your homework. You make one sentence with là and one with thì. Please write it down in the comments. I'm happy to check them for you. If this lesson helped you, please give it a like and subscribe my channel to learn Vietnamese with me every week. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. I'm so happy you stay here until the end of this video. See you in the next video. Yeah. Hẹn gặp lại.